Good day, everyone. We are from Southern Mindanao College's High School Department.
I am Charles Vizcarron.
I am Renz Verti Vertudes.
And I am Yabasi Abimael II.
And we are here to present our product.
Fire accidents are a serious problem that can happen anytime and anywhere. A small flame can quickly grow into a dangerous fire if it is not detected early. Fire incidents are more common during hot and dry seasons, especially in countries like the Philippines. High temperatures and dry conditions increase the risk of fires because materials heat up faster, ignite more easily, and allow flames to spread quickly. Many fires also start when no one is present to respond immediately, causing delays in detection and action. The purpose of this study is to design and develop a sensory integrated Arduino firefighting robot with sense detection and a 5V buzzer alert system. The project aims to detect fire at an early stage, provide an immediate warning, and automatically respond to help control or extinguish the fire.
This study is important because early fire detection and quick response can help reduce fire-related damage and improve safety. The system benefits households, schools, and communities, especially in hot environments like the Philippines. By combining detection, alert, and automatic firefighting features, the project helps protect lives and property.
This study used a developmental research approach to design and test a sensory-integrated Arduino firefighting robot. The system consists of fire and heat sensors, a scent detection sensor, a 5V buzzer, a water pump, and an Arduino microcontroller. The sensors continuously monitor the environment for fire-related conditions. When abnormal heat, flame, or smoke scent is detected, the sensors send signals to the Arduino for processing. Once the readings exceed preset threshold values, the Arduino confirms the presence of fire. The 5V buzzer then activated to alert nearby individuals, while the water pump is simultaneously turned on to spray water towards the fire source. The system is tested under controlled conditions to evaluate detection accuracy, response time, and effectiveness in suppressing small fires.
So the expected outcome of this project is a functional Arduino-based firefighting robot capable of detecting fire early, alerting people immediately, and responding automatically to suppress flames. This system is expected to help prevent fires from spreading and reduce potential damage in high-risk environments.